how's it going, second channel? Today we're going to be making a thumbnail. You know, if you haven't seen already, it's so pretty much there's this kit on Skywars. It's called the Bat Guy kit. You know, we're going to be making a thumbnail for it. I look up Bat Guy and this is what comes up. That's not what I want. Okay. Minecraft Hypixel kit. It's a kit. It's a kit, right? Oh no. I'm just trying to like. Okay. Kit. Okay. Bat Guy. People have done this before. I don't know. See this? This is the clickbait that I want to see. This is what I want to see in my thumbnail. So okay. Let's have a bat. Let's just make it bat Minecraft, right? No, we want an image. Boom, perfect. It's a web thing. We can't. The thing with this, okay, you save as. It says web.p. You know, you can't use web links. You have to use PNGs. Just give me a second. You know, we'll find one soon. Hopefully, we're not gonna find one, are we? Let's put PNG at the end. Hopefully that helps. Why can't I find one? Okay. I think this is also a web. Yeah, it's a web.p. God damn it, bro! I meant to find a thing. Play Minecraft. Hey, I'll play Minecraft soon. Oh, bro, I need like the perfect one, and that is literally the perfect one. This one is good though. Yeah, sure. You know what? That's fine. Then, what we gotta do is you gotta go to this right here. You know, I made some of this, some of that. Create new, or we could go to an old one. Because I mean, I have these thumbnails already made. We'll create a new one because, you know, why not? Why not? We're a nice person. We're gonna tell everyone how to create it. So, you know, first off, we chuck your bat in. Chuck the bat in here. Yep, very cool. Because we're just super cool. We are stealing the idea. No. We gotta hold shift while doing this as well, by the way. This is how to use Photoshop. Go to this little thing up here. You can't see it. Where is it? Magic wand. You click it and then it selects all around the white. Rasterize the layer as well. And then get rid of all this stuff. Yep. Perfect. Look at that. It's just a bat. Just a bat. Then, what you want to do is put your Minecraft... We could put... Honestly, we might even just put my... Or we could just... Maybe not. You know, what would get more views? Putting Dream as a face or as my face? You know? Let's just put my face because why not? Maybe not like my face, but my Minecraft character. Minecraft... Hold on. Did I actually save this? I didn't save it, did I? I didn't save it, did I? I didn't save it. Okay, well we have something similar to it. What the hell is this song? No, I ain't listening to that. Okay. So we have to find this stupid thing. I wish I could show you this, but you know, you're not allowed to see. Sorry, chat. Where is this face? Well, I mean, I guess we're not going to be able to use the face if I can't find it. Okay, let's just go into this thing called Nova Skin. You go into Nova Skin. It's this online editor. It's pretty cool. You know, what can I say? Look at that. It's already loaded. You would just upload, you open, and then you put it on there. Now we need to put my face to wherever we want it to look. I want to make him look a bit pose. Hold up. Where's head? Head? No. Maybe a bit down. A bit to the side. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. That's actually perfect. All right. Save. Look at that. Look at that. All we need is the head. So, I mean, we can just crop out the body. Boom. Boom. Crop out the body. I said crop out the body. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, we need to also rasterize the layer. Look at that. Now this is on the bat. Okay. Okay. This is so scuffed. No, it's not. No, it's not, chat. It's the best. You've never seen anything better. Let's find a thumbnail face. Oh no. There's so many to choose from. You can't see it right now because I'm not trying to expose myself. Not like I have anything bad, but it's just, you know, might have like epic photos that are mine, not yours. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Here's one. Why not? Why not? Sure. Why did that just... Okay. Revert. Yep. Perfect. You can't even see it because my face is in the way. Let's move me. Thank you. Yep. Okay. Put me down here. Get this. And then crop out the crop out everything out. Okay. Maybe we have to do it with the hand. You know, use this little tool. Go all the way around. Go all the way around. Okay, I wish I could do this faster, but I can't. I'm sorry, chat. I know I'm wasting your time. You're meant to be watching another video, but, you know, I'm here on stream. Just, you know, ruining everyone's day. Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot to rasterize the layout. There we go. And then you can always just put, like, the little, you know, that. Bada boom, bada bam. Easy peasy. Bada boom, bada bam. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this scuff. This is terrible. This is so bad. Alright. We're gonna put... What are we gonna do? We're gonna put a Minecraft thing in the background as well, just to make it look nice. Because we gotta make it look at least a little bit more pretty than it is. So, okay, what do we put? I don't know. I don't know. Where's my main photo? I have like this one photo that I always put in the background. You may have seen it before. Maybe not. Here it is, chat. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. It's so terrible. Hey! And then, what a lot of people like to do is they like to get this, where is it? Smudge tool. Make the smudge very big. Make sure the layers are rasterized. And then you can, you know, bring out the edges just to make everything look crazy. There's a cooler way to do this. I don't really know how to do it. I swear there's like a little blur thing and it makes everything spin. This is my way. You know what I mean? This is the BenZaMon way. Comments if you can tell me what that way is. That would be actually crazy. But this is my way. Yeah. What is that little speck? What is this little speck? Is it from here? No. Is it from here? It is. Get out of here. I don't know if you saw that, but there's like a little speck. Another little speck. Can't be dealing with these specks, you know? They're just, you know, they're a bit scary. A little bit of a scary speck. Alright. Now, what we gotta do is, I mean, we could either be done here or we could add something else pretty epic and cool. What else do I do to my thumbnails? Let's have a look. That's about it. Guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Actually, no, we're not done here yet. We can merge layers, and then we can put blend, and then we can put a stroke. You know, not like a bad stroke, it's just like a stroke that goes around the edges of things. Got to get rid of these lines that are invisible. Why are there invisible lines here? Oh, opacity needs to be up to 100%. Yep, bada boom, bada bam. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Get rid of these little specks. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Export. There we go, chat. There we go. That's how you make a thumbnail. You have to make sure that, you know, you export it to, where is it? You have to make it under 2. So make it like 90 or something. It's maybe make it 87. I don't know. You have to make sure it's under 2 or 2. Sometimes it's like over when it's still 2. So maybe 84. I don't know. Did you die, Ben? No, not yet. Not yet. It's all good. It's all good. Done. That's how you make a thumbnail. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Bye, second channels. Like and subscribe. Yep.